Hello all. So in this video, we will see enabling a custom object and also modifying the standard pages that are created using the CX extension tool. So we'll add few fields and then we'll also uh, uh, to edit, create, and subtabs. Also, we'll add a delete action for deleting a record. Okay, so this is the object that we are going to set up, claims management. So we have two custom objects for this. So basically three custom objects: claims, charges, payments, and then litigation. Also, we have notes. Um, so and then we have attachments by default. Okay. Uh, so now we'll go to the workspace. So we are creating a new workspace. And here it will be clients management. And then develop, we need to change the extension ID. Okay. We'll reload. So application extension and then clients management. And then environment will be development environment and application will be CX sales. Okay. And then extension ID, we need to change it to site underscore CX sales underscore extensions. So that's the value. And then, so okay, we'll create a new repository. And parallelly, while preparing this workspace, so we'll go to application composer and then we'll create a extension generator. We'll create an extension using this CX generator. So we need to go to CX extension generator and then we'll quickly add the object client management. And to add panels, so we need to edit this. So by default, we'll get attachments and nodes. And if you want to add any additional panels, we need to add these child objects. So currently we have only child objects that are listing here. So we are selecting all these child objects. So by default, configure the subviews will get created. If not, we can just create or add or remove. Okay, that's all. So our extension is created. Now generate, create it. Okay, now go to workspace and then go to import, custom 10, import it. Okay, so our app got installed. So now expand claims fragment, and then uh, so this is our list page. Okay, we'll just see the preview, base preview. Change the path. So we have only one record, so that should come here, and we have also few records for child objects. We'll see. Okay, so we'll open this record. Okay, we could see the records in claim charges, and then we could also see payment records. Let's see the attachments and note panels. Okay. And also if we go to view all client charges, so we can see that record. And then we have already edit and detail actions. Same for attachments and notes. We have one attachment with a download option and view all attachments. So this is the place where we can add attachments, uh, and then we can view the listed attachments. So we'll see if there any option to create attachment here, but no. So we need to go to the show attachments, and then we need to add any new attachments. Okay. So now we have also create page. And there's the edit page. Okay. We have only two fields currently. So we'll add additional fields using this pages. And to create, we need to come from here. Okay. So here also we'll add the additional fields. Okay. So now we'll go to the workspace, and then so these are all the base pages, right? But if you want to add any layout changes, so we need to go to this layout section and then expand clients management. If we want to add layouts, if you want to do any layout changes at clients management level, that means parent object level, click on this and then go to uh, the pages. So we can see for create a layout, there are forms: create layout, edit layout, header layout, and then panel layout. Okay, so we have these layouts. So what we want to change is create layout and edit layout. So we can also change the header layout. Okay, header is nothing but this part. So for now, this is fine. Or we'll change this as well. First, we'll go to header and then go to edit. or click on that. So we can see a duplicate. So since it's a delivered, it's a custom, so we don't see the duplicate. But if we want to duplicate this layout and we need to create some based on some conditions, so we can always do that. So in place of badge, so we have title item, we have record name, that is fine. And so along with this climb status, we'll add one more field, and then we'll add climb comment. We can add more than one field in one slot. Okay. So this is the header layout changes. So now we'll go to create layout. And we'll add the other fields. These are all fine for create layout. Now we'll go to edit layout, and here we'll add most of the fields. Okay, that's all. So if you want to change any child object records, right? So we need to click on this. Like if you want to edit the child object, right? Child record. So we need to use this. So here this is the form appearing, right? So to edit this, we need to go to climb charges collection, and here we have a edit layout. Click on this, and here we'll add few more fields. Okay, so now we'll preview the change. Click on the preview and change back the URL. It takes bit of time to load, but this is how it shows. We'll edit this. Looks like header layout is not loaded properly. So we'll just reopen. Okay. Okay. So maybe adding two fields in one slot causes this issue, but yeah, we'll remove in next preview. So the changes we made is to the edit page, so where we can see all of these fields. So we added the fields. Okay, that is added now, and um, from client charges, so we can see view all page, and also we can edit this. So this subview also we can edit. We could see the additional fields here. Now from the list page, so we can see create page. So here also we could see the additional fields that we added. So this auto generated one. So we'll just go ahead and create. So another record got created. Now to delete, we don't have a option. So right, but it should come since in digital sales we have everything using this smart action bar. So we need to use smart action to delete an action. We need to create that. Okay. Before that, we'll also correct this header layout issue, and we'll remove the additional field that was added, and remove the comment. So in the same way, if you want to see, if you want to edit subview layout for this client view all region, right? So we need to use the subview layout. So this will be the subview layout, and action menu we need to put at the bottom. And to add smart action, we need to go to application composer and then go to smart actions menu. Okay. So this is the smart action menu. So we will refer one of the existing delete action uh, from standard delete actions. So and based on that, we can just create for custom object. Okay, so this requires sandbox. Let me recreate a sandbox. So we can refer any one of the existing item. So maybe we can refer this sales lead. Okay, so and then we'll just duplicate this just to um, use this create button, and the action type is smart action type is REST based. So we need to give the name. I'll say delete, and object is claims management. This will select automatically. Okay. And then application will be sales, and then also workspace. UI availability, list page, and sales or orchestration. So, so this list page is sufficient, but if you want to use in sales or orchestration, so we can use. We don't have any role filter. Path will be this, and the method will be delete. And here we need to select the ID, record ID. Click done, and then request body parameter is not needed. As per this, request body parameters doesn't need, and then we just need to add the confirmation message. And then confirmation continue message yes, and then cancel button is no. That's all. Click submit. Just review and then click submit. Okay. Smart action got created. Now go to claims management, list view, and then again preview. So this delete smart action will be available only inside the page. That means if you open a specific record, and then we can see only that, only there. So now now I am inside one record. Okay, let me take the new record, and then if I click on this action bar and search for delete, okay, not sure it's a sync issue, but let's activate the sandbox as well, because we lost the sandbox. Because yeah, this these changes, smart action changes, are within sandbox, so we should activate the same sandbox, and then we need to preview again. So then only this change we will be able to preview. Now we can also notice that this uh, header is coming after removing that field, the additional field. So now we can see the delete action here. So if we just click on that, it will ask the message that we entered. If we can customize this, and then click on yes or no. If we click yes, so the record will get created, will be deleted, and we don't see that record anymore. The same applicable for creating smart. So the same smart action can be used from here. The delete action that will come here or inside the record from action bar. And from the same actions, we can create smart actions to create the child records, and then to add a note, or to create the whatever quick actions that we can see, right? So everything we can add by using smart actions. All these are based on smart actions. So this is how we will configure, and will so we can also see how we can change this particular panel layout, right? So for that, we'll go to claims charges, and then go to panel card layout, and then go to edit this. Here we have items, item 1, item 2, item 3, and if we have any avatar item, we can also select that. So I'm adding few more to this. Okay. And now we'll preview to see these changes. We have added few more fields here. We'll see. So we can also edit this particular layout, but it's a pure custom thing. So we need to use some fragments and all, uh, but this is a custom thing. Yeah, yeah, we could see this. So this is how we'll configure. So if any additional records, so I think it shows only a maximum of few records, and if you want to edit or if you want to see more, we'll use this view all region. Yeah, that's all. Like configuring basic changes, and by default we don't have um, the add nodes also. So for that also, or to create a node, we need to again use this smart action to create this node. Okay. So we need to be familiar with using smart action. So for all of these configurations.